So guys, what do you want to do today? I want you to shut up. Oh.
I prefer the term love machine.
Guys. Oh no. What do you want? Valentine's Day is coming up next week. Oh, nice. You got a date? I'm married. Oh. I didn't know Mater was married. It's not Mater, it's Stella. Oh. Wait, what? I need your help. You see, I want to celebrate thing. The holiday with her, but I don't know what to do. Well, you get her some chocolates, or you can set up a date. Yes, right. I could set up a date, and then. Yeah. Thanks, honey. We probably should watch over him. Yeah. Time to watch some TV. No! Salt. Just salt. Hey, Ruben. Hello, Chuck. What do you want? I'm having a special date with Stella soon. I was hoping you could fix me up some kind of fancy date food. Yeah, I think I have something good. Something planned? Yeah, I'll be back with you in a couple of hours. Hours? Yes, hours. Here we go. And half an egg, add some water, and a lima bean. Now, where's the spoon so I can stir this? How's it going? You're leaving? No, this is the meal. This is the box of love. I made it myself. You threw a bunch of things in a box. That's our meal? Yes. Isn't it romantic? I'll just go get chocolate or whatever. But the box of love!
Alright, boys, fess up. Who ate all the Oreos? Like there's nothing there, there's just crumbs.
Hey guys.
You! Did you eat all the Oreos?
No, I'm just asking for chocolates.
I see. So you ate...
No, I'm just asking for actual chocolates, not cookies. There should be some in the fridge. Oh, thanks, Bendy. There's no chocolate in here. Oh. Looks like I have nothing for my date night. You can look nice.
Yeah, like wear a suit and tie.
Yeah, but I want to, make it special. You can give her the box of love. That's something special. No. Take this back to the junkyard. Alright. Ooh, Felix has a diner for some reason. Yeah. Really? Yeah, you've been there before. Oh. So I'm saying you should go there with Stella. Good idea.
Yeah, very good idea. Go. Chop.
You're right. I'm proud of him. Can I watch TV now? No. Ugh, what a great bathroom break. Ugh.
Hello, you two. What would you like to order today?
We'll have the romantic meal thing.
Is that actually what it's called?
Yeah. You even put thing on the menu. What? Wait, where's the menu?
I don't know. I'll go get you the romantic meal. Wow, Chuck, I can't believe you actually asked me out on a date.
Yeah. Yeah, it is Valentine's Day after all.
This place is nice.
Yeah, it's a Felix restaurant thing. No idea why. He has a restaurant, but where's that food, huh?
Yeah. Here you go. Enjoy. What?
I didn't know that they'd serve that. Okay, you can always have the box of love if you don't like your dish.
Box of love?
No, we do not want that.
You know what, Chuck? Even if this restaurant thing isn't going out as well, this is still a nice day.
Really?
Yeah, it's nice that you asked me out.
Oh man, this is gonna sap you, right?
This is one sappy date. It says your romantic meal is an apple slice with a bite in it.
Just make sure to pay. I don't know if I will pay. Stupid.
Can I have the box of love?
Sure.